Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Alhamdulillah, today also Allah give us life and health to do another class today. Today we are going to deal with chemistry. Yeah, I think we maths, yesterday we finished the negative and positive numbers. We said we are going to do some GCSE questions, but I think we do at least one lesson in chemistry, then we go back to our mathematics. Chemistry. What is chemistry? Anybody know the definition of chemistry is? The study of
Substances
substances,
and chemicals.
Atoms.
study of atoms,
Reactions.
Periodic.
study of reactions, yes.
Elements.
Elements.
Study of elements, chemical, compound, their combinations and so forth. That's chemistry.
Mixtures.
Yeah. All that is chemistry. Okay? So you can even say study of matter and the combination of matter. And it is that will be more appropriate for physics. Okay. Atomic structure. So what is an atom? What is an element? Because sometimes these two is confusing. What is an atom? What is an element? Okay? An atom, when I was doing chemistry, you know, science, things keep on changing. Definition keep on changing because there are new discoveries. When we are doing chemistry, they said the nucleus comprised only of neutrons and protons. But even now, they find some other particles. Okay, I don't want to go into that. I think some of you may have heard of quarks. Okay, yeah. But when I was in chemistry, they said the atom is the smallest indivisible particle. Okay? But now, that definition, nobody said that now because the atom can now be
Divisible.
split. Okay? They say the atom is the smallest. Wow, look at the word. Smallest indivisible. You know the meaning of indivisible?
Like it can't be split.
You
Can
can't
be
divide
split.
it.
I mean, it can be.
It can't be.
Come from the word dividing. Okay, particle. That's what they used to say. But now, this definition is no more relevant because the atom can be split.
Divide.
Okay? So, atom is the smallest particle of an element. An element and atom, the difference between them is very, very narrow. Okay? An atom of an element have the same atomic structure. Like if you say hydrogen, hydrogen will always be one
Neutral.
one proton, okay, one electron, okay, one proton, one electron. Sodium will always be, so it is an atom of an element have the same structure, okay, and the element will be the name of the atom, we can say, okay. So basically, the definition the books give is, they said, all things comprise of atoms.
Atoms.
That's the AQA. It says, atoms are the tiny particles that everything is made up of. There are quite a few different models of an atom, but chemists tend to like the nuclear model best. That's just about what is the structure of an atom. We didn't say define what is an atom. Okay? And atoms and elements are the basis of all chemistry. So you really need to know what they are. Luckily, this page is here to help you. Okay? They said, know that everything is made up of atoms. Know the structure of an atom. Know the relative charges of proton and neutron. Know that the number of electrons in an atom is. So that's what we are going to deal with. Yes? Okay, the structure of an atom. An atom an atom will define what the element is and what the characteristic of an element is. Okay? The structure of an atom look very, very weird, and even now things are changing about the structure. Whether they are shells or their energy levels. If you do A level, you will know. So there are more than 100 atoms. 100 and more than 100 elements. So each element is may have an atom, and the atom graduates from 1, 2, 3, 4, up to more than 100, depending on the number of protons. Because the number of protons will determine what type of element it is. So what is a proton, what is a neutron, what's an electron, we come to know that later. So basically, an atom consists of shells and nucleus. Okay, so the key word here is shell and nucleus. Okay, the key word is shell and nucleus. Okay, so basically, as it's like this, you have a nucleus in the middle, then you have shells, or they use like rings. So the number of rings will tell you what element it is. Okay? So this is, they call it the atomic structure. The structure of an atom is just like a ring, yeah? A nucleus in the middle, and a ring, and rings. Okay? So atoms consist of atom consists of a shell and a nucleus. Okay? Consists of neutrons. So I write that in black. Every atom, let's say every atom okay? There's one exception for this. They will come to know that. Consists of neutrons, okay? Protons and electrons. Electrons, yes? So atom consists of neutrons, protons, and electrons. So where they are located is in the nucleus. This is called the nucleus. It's called the nucleus. In the middle, okay? Nucleus. It consists of, this is where the protons and neutrons are. Okay? So, you will not find proton and neutron in any other part of an atom except the nucleus. Okay? The electrons, they normally put like this. Or they do like this, like small circles. The are the electrons. So the electrons are found in the shells. Okay? This is called shell. The rings around the atom is called a shell. And the shell consists of only electrons. So in the exam, when they said there are 5 electrons in the shell of a particular atoms, true or false?
False.
What you will say? False. Because electrons are found only in the shell. The nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. And the cells consist of only electrons. You get that?
Yes.
Okay. Now, one more thing. The number of neutrons here will always be equal to sorry, number of protons here will always equal to the number of electrons in the cells. Okay? The number of electrons will equal to the number of protons in the
Sure.
shells. And that's what we call the atomic number. We'll come to that later. But first we have to deal with the charge. Okay? So, like electricity, the charges. There are charges, yes? Now, just like electricity, you have positive and negative charge. Okay? Like electricity, you have a negative and the electric side, you join them together, then you have electricity. Now, in the nucleus, you have only protons and neutrons, but they have charges. Protons, these are very important, yes? They are
Positive. Positive charge.
positively
Charge.
charged. Positively charged. Okay? Neutrons are
No charge.
neutral, yeah? No charge. They are neutral, okay? Or neutral. And the electrons
Negatively charged.
are negatively
Charged.
charged. Okay? So basically we can say protons are positive, electrons are negative. So these things are positive, these ones are negative, okay? Negative. How do I put negative? Negative, okay? They are negative. So basically, the electrons are stable because always the positive charge and the negative charge are equal, so they balance each other. Okay? So basically, that means the number of electrons must always be equal to the number of protons, so that the charge cancel each other,
Out.
cancel out each other, so they are balanced. So the neutron, they have no charges, see, so that they don't affect the stability of the atom. Okay? So that, first of all, that's what we have learned. We learned that a shell, an electron consists of shells around it like rings, okay? And it consists of a nucleus in the middle. The nucleus consists of protons and neutrons, okay? These are zero charge. Neutrons are zero charge. In the shells, you have only electrons, and they are negatively charged. Okay? So basically, with the examination, what they can do is they can give you the structure of an atom, they give you the label and ask you, what's this? What's this? Okay? They point to it and ask you what's this. So in the inside the neutron, you can have dots of electrons, and then you can check protons. Okay? Okay? In most cases, they are equal there. Okay, we are going to learn about isotopes. So, basic knowledge. Okay, an atom consists of cells and nucleus. In the nucleus, there are protons and neutrons. In the cells, there are
Only
electrons. Protons are positively charged, and neutrons are negatively charged. Electrons are negatively charged. Neutrons are no charge, zero charge, okay? That's understood, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, we go to